Hi guys, Voinski here from carlyvoinski.com, and today is kind of like a haphazard day for me, so I thought it'd be really great to just track what I'm eating, sticking to a keto low carb diet, to show you how on a busy day where you don't really know where the day is headed, you are able to still stick with this. So right now I am having just coffee with keto cream. It's right here, and that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I'm not having anything else. I know that that is full of great healthy fats for me to start my day, and then I will come back around lunchtime and see where we're at. Okay, salad, right. So for lunch, I made salad with my own lettuce that I grew in my backyard, and some egg salad, and then I put salt and pepper on top, there you go. And I dressed the salad with just olive oil, no vinegar, I don't know, I just didn't feel like it. So it's just olive oil, salt, pepper, mix it all up, put the egg salad on the side. If I had cherry tomatoes, I would add a few, but I don't. So that's lunch. Okay, dinner time. So we ordered dinner tonight, and I will flip it around. We ordered from our local pizza place, and we did not get pizza, but there are other options of things that you can get. So my husband got a chicken Caesar, but I ordered a small mozzarella, roasted red pepper, tomato salad, skipping the balsamic, and I just have oil and vinegar. But then we also got wings, unbreaded with hot sauce. And then we will use our own Marie's blue cheese dressing with them. And then that will be dinner. So that is just a typical day of eating keto, low carb, keto-ish, lazy keto, whatever you want to call it. And it wasn't planned or anything, just went about my day. I had no idea where we're going to end up at the end. But as you can see, you can still make good choices and be able to have a last minute dinner and order out and things like that too. So if you've liked this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you get notified of all new content coming out. And then if you haven't already, go ahead and visit the new website, carlyvoinski.com. Thank you guys so much for watching.